Alright, you looking for a buy of a lifetime? Well, this just could be it. This Thunderbird is a 1963, I believe. It's my sister and my brother-in-law's. Now, they don't know nothing about no cars, but I do. And I think it's a gem. Okay, so it's got a couple paint issues. Okay, we can deal with that. It's got a straight body and a nice front end on that thing. Look at that. No wrecks on it. Look at the inside. Oh wow, it's a 63 T-Bird. The interior has been done. He was working on it. He drove around a couple times. But I know my brother-in-law and sister. It's gonna be sitting here and letting this happen. Well, not in my books, because we're gonna have a good owner take over this car. Now here in Arizona, we have no rust issues, so you don't have to worry about that. This engine, as I understand, has about 60 to 70,000 miles. I don't think more than that. But it's the beauty of a car. Now, I apologize that I can't get inside the car and turn it on for all that number, but I can. My brother-in-law's not here. I just went ahead and did it. If you have any questions, any concerns about this car, a really serious buyer about it, let me know. Please understand, here in Arizona, I can get this thing painted for you for a lot cheaper than you can in those bigger cities. In Arizona, again, there's no moisture. This car's all that. It's just been sitting. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. My number is 928-446-4536. I'm a human. I do stumble upon words at times, but this ad is not fake. This car is real. It's all that. If you want to throw me an email, just email right through my computer, or you can email me through swazcarguy@gmail.com. That's SWAZ carguy@gmail.com. Thanks so much for looking.